Hey everyone, welcome to Technically You, your go-to podcast for decoding today's tech one buzzword at a time. And today we're diving into something critical for cloud security, cloud detection and response, or as the cool kids call it, CDR.
CDR may not be a household name yet, but if your business lives in the cloud, and let's face it, most do now, this is your silent security guardian. It's like having 24/7 surveillance and security guards monitoring every digital hallway in your cloud environment. So what is CDR?
Well, let's start with the basics. Cloud detection and response is a cybersecurity solution designed specifically for cloud environments. It provides real-time threat detection, behavioral analytics, and automated or guided response actions to threats like account takeovers, unauthorized access, malware injection, data exfiltration, and more.
Exactly. Think of it like a next-gen alarm system for your cloud, but way smarter. It doesn't just trigger when something bad happens. It watches how users behave, what apps are doing, and whether any of it looks suspicious, like an employee logging in from two countries 10 minutes apart. Well,
Nice. Let's talk about how CDR works. CDR solutions monitor cloud net active infrastructure, software as a service apps, containers, cloud storage, and compute workloads across platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. They analyze event logs, configuration changes, API activity, and telemetry data using machine learning and threat intelligence.
and it's not just watching. This baby takes action. With real-time alerting and automated response playbooks, CDR can isolate users, disable API keys, trigger MFA, or even roll back a container deployment if it detects an anomaly.
Here's just a sample of what CDR helps catch and stop. Misconfigured cloud storage, like your open S3 buckets, credential compromise and lateral movement, shadow IT and unauthorized app usage, drop in that Dropbox, insider threats and privilege misuse, supply chain attacks via third-party APIs, and malware planted in cloud workloads or serverless functions.
And because it's purpose-built for cloud environments, it can do all of this faster and more contextually than traditional security tools trying to adapt to cloud.
We're in the age of hybrid and multi-cloud setups. One app in AWS, another in Azure, some dev stuff in GCP. With that complexity, traditional detection tools can't keep up.
That's where CDR thrives. It integrates across cloud platforms and correlates threats across environments, something traditional SIEMs or on-prem IDS systems can struggle with.
Plus, this is where CDR really differentiates itself from all of the other detection and response solutions. Since it's cloud NatMac, it scales and flexes with your cloud resources. As you spin up or shut down services, CDR dynamically follows your assets like a digital bloodhound.
That is awesome. Now, let's name drop some major players offering cloud detection and response. Wiz, Cloud NAC protection with powerful posture management. Palo Alto Prisma Cloud combines CDR with compliance and CSPM. Microsoft Defender for Cloud, great for hybrid Azure-first environments. Lacework, known for anomaly detection and threat intel integration. Sentinel-1. Singularity Cloud brings AI-powered response to the cloud layer. And CrowdStrike Falcon Cloud extends endpoint detection into cloud workloads.
For you IT and security listeners, here's why your CISO should love CDR. Real-time detection, catch threats before they escalate, cloud native coverage, built for dynamic cloud assets, reduced alert fatigue, smarter alerts, fewer false positives, automated response, faster mitigation equals reduced damage, compliance support, helps meet SOC 2, ISO 27001, HIPAA, and more. Improved visibility. You can't secure what you can't see.
And perhaps the best part? Faster incident response times. In cloud environments, time is everything.
Here's where we believe CDR is headed. Deeper AI integration. Expect AI to handle even more of the analysis and response. Identity-aware protection. Combining CDR with IM, PAM, and behavioral analysis. Integration with SOAR and XDR. Unified Cloud Native Security Platform, CNAPPS. CDR will be part of bigger platforms, and IoT and edge cloud security, expanding CDR to monitor edge workloads.
That is an extensive list, and if you are a regular listener, we cover several of these solutions in another podcast.
Cool. Well, let's close with in a world where cloud is king, CDR is your digital bodyguard. If you're not using one yet, your organization might already be at risk.
Couldn't agree more. Security isn't just about protection, it's about visibility, speed, and response. And that's exactly what CDR delivers.
Thanks for listening and subscribe to our channel if you find this or our other podcasts interesting. So as always, stay curious.